Cougar, you've been in here before, for thievery and for burglary. What do you have to say for yourself?
It isn't my fault.
Isn't your fault? That's hilarious. Where's the tape?
Snail had it.
Snail had it? Oh no. Snail's dead.
That's his fault then.
What do you have to say for yourself?
It wasn't my fault.
Friend to friend, tell me.
We're not friends.
Okay. Why don't you start from the beginning? You can tell me. You probably won't get in that much trouble.
Snail.
No. Start from the beginning. Marcus. Sorry, not you. Some of my coworkers think it's Halloween already. Like, yeah, we get it. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, how are you doing?
Stop it. Snails. Oh. We got it, Snail.
Yeah, we got it.
This. Oh, that one's the story of Amelia Earhart. Well, I'm taking it home and I'm not going to sell it at the black market. This is mine.